Welcome to PrimeTech Automotive YouTube channel, guys. So I'm going to show you how to access to hidden menu on this ZM Outlander radio screen.
So on this ZM Outlander, I am going to perform how to enter to hidden menu on the stereo system. So you need to hold menu button. While holding the menu button, you need to turn the push and sound button left, right and left. So with this hidden menu access, you can do a lot of adjustment on the system. So I'll go through some of them, but if you are changing any settings, highly advise just write it down what was the original setting is, because if you change, once you change some information, maybe you will have some errors. So highly advise, if you're changing any settings, any calibration settings, write it down or take a photo. So on the camera, you can, I've seen some cars, the rear correcting draw lines, they are sometimes misaligned. So when you see on the camera, it's on an angle. So with this adjustment, you can change the lines. If you see these lines go here and there, so if any changes on your camera, you can adjust them into the right position. And once you adjust it, press confirm. And you can press the reset configuration and reset to the factory settings as well. Another important settings, the GPS time set. So on here you can set the time intervals. There's a navigation information, navigation settings. You can look for vehicle signals, and you can do the display diagnosis. Touch panel, you can check the touch panel response like that. Just play around, and if you don't change anything, nothing gonna happen to the system. Yeah, that's pretty much I want to show what's behind this screen, what's stored, what's hidden in the system. So, and also here when you do the software update or something, but that's definitely go through Mitsubishi dealer. We won't have access for this software update, but when you do the software update on this, we go to software update button here, and then whatever the files we downloading from the USB, that's where we're gonna install it. Yeah, that's pretty much I want to show how the hidden menu work. And also you can do the speaker test as it is. So you can go one by one the speakers. Yeah, no problem. So this is how the actual the hidden menu works. Thanks for watching, guys. Check back into my channel and you will see some other videos as well. Don't forget to like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Comment if you have any ideas. Thanks for watching.